Hello, my lovely water sign. This is Shrevetya. I'll be doing a love relationship reading. What is coming on for you in this month? What your partner wants to say to you that he really can't, is not able to say to you. You can peek at your partner, what he really intends to do. And at the end of the reading, I'll be giving suggestion for each of the sign, for Cancer, for Pisces, and for Scorpio. Final time shuffling to get energies of water sign in their love life. What's going on? Archangels, please guide us. Show us the clear vision. What's going on? The Hermit. Now I also got the where I got in your partner's energy. I think I got the Hermit. So in both the deck, I am getting the Hermit. Most of you could be connecting to Virgo, and this is a serious teaching going on in both of your life. If your is Hermit upward, this means you are actually learning from it, but your partner's Hermit is upside down. This means he doesn't want to soul search. He just want to be in his false belief. He is not ready to face the fact that whatever he has done was not just, something like that. And also he is feeling very much lonely. That's what I'm getting. So let's see what happened with my water sign in the past. What happened in the past? Show me the story. Four of Cups. You were thinking. What were you thinking? 4. See, this is 4. So this is all about responsibility, work, family. The devil is here. The devil was in the fire sign also, in the same place. So you could be connecting to Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. See, 4, 4, 4. This is also an angelic number. Like you are actually invoking angels. You are doing some angel practices, learning things. And this shows that your stability has somewhat been hampered. This is like a marriage card also. Something celebration was also there, but something that was supposed to be the celebration didn't happen to be the celebration, and you are holding on to your thoughts, your like regrets. I am seeing some regrets also, some thinking going on over here. Please clarify why 4 of Cups is here. Why my water sign is so much thinking in the past. What happened? Maybe Page of Cups is here. Now this totals to 5 of Cups, which is again a regret, like lost opportunities. King of Swords and the 9 of Swords. See, I am sensing that you might have take it the otherwise also, for the cross watchers you are also witness. I am sensing here the person over here did something foolish, something he didn't expect, or the partner he is connecting to she is connecting to has done something foolish, and this person is having anxiety, thinking a lot what could have been. And then I am seeing very much like someone approached someone, but the other person cut that person off, and there is so much stress going on in the past. Okay, why 4 of Wands reversed? What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh my god. Oh my god. Major energy is coming over here. See, I think someone, your partner must have promised you the commitment, but then he backstabbed you. You feel backstabbed, you feel cheated, and like you are thinking how I could have trusted this person. Some of you could be married, some of you could be in long-term commitment, and that's like you both got engaged, but just before the wedding he called it off, or just before the engagement he called it off, and that was a major shock to you. There was so much of a thoughts, and see, I just somehow I got this 4 of Wands again. You both could be married or could be in committed relationship, and it just came shattering down. The your world came upside down. Here the devil energy is here. You could be connecting to a Capricorn. Okay, please clarify why the devil is here in the past. Okay. See, you know, it was like so much nurturing, so much caring relationship. It was full of love. It was totally full of love, because of, and you used to carry the burden all on your shoulder because you love this person. But then in the past, it was like everything came shattered down. You broke up with this person, and then also this person didn't like left you. Like there was some kind of vengeful energy I am getting. He reciprocated in some way that burdened you. That you felt ki why this happened. I loved him so much. Oh my God, major things are going on with you, my dear water sign. Major things are going on with you. Maybe you also could have made some wrong choice and you are regretting it, or your partner did that. Current energies, please. Current energies for my water sign. Current energies for my water sign. Please show me the current energies for my water sign. Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Current energies for my water sign. I was supposed to get a summary of this. Please give me a summary of the past. Summary part for the past. How can you summarize this? What happened in the past? There are two cards. There is King of Cups and there is Knight of Wands. See, I think past was the person you were connecting to, although you both were in a major committed relationship. He loved you a lot, he thoroughly loved you, but he had some impulsiveness. He was very much insecure. He was like jealous. I'm sensing jealous and like mostly passionate than emotions. Although emotions it's here, the mostly passionate than being, being realistic, or like fighting for what he fighting for your relationship, for you. He didn't stood by your side. He just panicked and withdrew his energy that I'm getting, although he loved him. And now I am sensing that in current scenario this person is coming back as a Knight of Pentacle. He still is a knight, but now the energy has changed from a passion to something stable. He wants to offer you something. Okay. Or you could be moving with your, okay, this is your energy. So if I said that he wants to offer you, then definitely he's going to offer. He's intending to offer you, although it might not be very easy for him. But since this is your energy, you are moving towards your stability. You are doing something. You must be in like construction work or something. You're creating something. You are moving towards your stability. You're grounded also. Now 10 of swords. See, the 10 of swords is here also. 10 of swords is here also, but this is reverse. So you are recovering from it. And you have that imprint. You have that thought in your mind that, and ace of swords is here. This means that you just want clarity from this person. There is like some closure has not been made. Why he backstabbed you? Why you did that when we were in so much clear, so much good relationship. You could have said, you could have, you know um, like done something in a stable manner. If you wanted, if you're not, you are forced to do something else, you could have said in a way that could not have backstabbing, but I'm feeling backstabbed. And the Queen of Wands is reversed. Okay. King of Swords upright. You really want clarity. You are like, see, earlier you were very much fascinated and towards him. You were, so much of a queen for him with passion, and you used to dress up for him. You used to like be with, enjoy his company. He might be giving you flowers, and you were like expecting, um, you felt protected by him. But now you are like, all this is bullshit. Sorry. So You are totally like king of swords in your power, dealing with what is has to be dealt with in practical scenario. Why knight of pentacles is here? Why knight of pentacles is here? Okay, why knight of pentacles is here? See, I am sensing from both the sides. Yeah, this is again queen of wands. You are like totally pissed off at this person. This is Pisces and Aries energy, could be connecting to some, and you are taking care of yourself. You are not putting any attention to him. You must be like now dressing up for yourself, taking all every control in your hands and not paying him attention. But at the same time, this could be energy of being jealous, being misdirected, or somehow being like vulnerable. Okay, so why this light is like this? Okay, let it be. Okay, so please clear. And I am sensing over here is that you are moving towards your stability. You regret what happened in the past. Definitely, that kind of sadness is with you, but you are not looking for any reconciliation from this person. You are like done with him. Ten of Swords reversed. Please clarify Ten of Swords reversed. Please clarify Ten of Swords reversed. There might be many people involved who like backstabbed you, and you're pissed off, you're angry, and you're angry at the decision that you took in the past, the choices that you made in the past. You have somehow lost hope for any of this kind of relationship. You need to heal, my dear water sign. You need to heal. You are carrying that energy so much in yourself. You're carrying that much energy. Why this happened? Queen of wands. Queen of wands clarified by Queen of wands. So there is no other clarification required. See, the tower is also reversed. It means you have not come out of that trauma. The trauma is still there. You need to get out of it so that you can focus on your future. And you are like, you feel misdirected, you feel unprotected, you feel how to approach life now, because this is totally unreliable, insecure, what to do, where to go. Please summarize this energy, current energies. Ten of Pentacles reverse. This is like you are saying that bullshit to what happened in the past. Even though that was a long committed relationship, I am just now taking on my own. I am like, even though I have been left out in the cold, I'll make from the scratch. I'll start from the scratch. And you are really angry also at this person. You need to balance yourself. This was a long term commitment that got destroyed here. Please show me the future energies for my water sign. Future energies for my water sign. The Magician. Wow, good. Here you go. The Judgment, major arcanas. Major thing is going to happen in your life in future. In this coming 1 month only, major thing is going to happen. And the Fool reversed. Okay. King of Swords again is here. So it's like you just want clarity. You want to start something with perspective, with some vision. You don't want to be dependent on another. Why the Magician is here? This is a Gemini card also. Wow, wow, wow. Great. See, you are a person of caliber, and right now you are misdirected. You don't feel that much of a vision, but in your future, what I am saying, that you will be like very much stable. You are very much competent. You have all the resources. You just have to believe in yourself and move towards. And that's a Magician is totally grounded person. Totally, he's like, something miracle is going to happen. I'm sensing some miracle is going to happen. There's a new beginning coming. Major new beginning coming. You are manifesting this major new beginning. I don't know from the past person you're manifesting this, or from the new soulmate you're manifesting it. You're manifesting something and that's coming into fruition. Judgment. Clarify judgment. This is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. Judgment, sorry, this is Gemini, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Gemini, Cancer, these are